everybody, Kaiden here, and today I have the Woodshop Decorate Your Own Birdhouse and Bird Feeder kit, and this kit is recommended for ages 5 and up. So in these kits, it includes everything you need to build either your birdhouse or your bird feeder. So on the back of the package, it shows the contents of what's inside, and it shows how you can create it. And that's also the same for the bird feeder too. So I think I'm going to start out with the birdhouse first. Okay, so here are all of our items, and flying away. And I will not be using this wood glue. I will be using this hot glue gun because this will just be faster, but there's nothing wrong with this glue. I can't take this seriously. Alright guys, so as you may have noticed, I have taped down some of our items because some really strong winds picked up and it blew everything off the table and we had to find it all over the backyard. Super windy. Okay, I did a little bit of a better gluing job on this. Alright, there we go. Now we kind of got the kind of skeleton look of our birdhouse. We still have a little bit more things to put on our birdhouse before we are done. Alright, there we have both of our roofs on, and it's starting to look like a birdhouse, like a miniature house, just in the palm of my hand. Nice, there we go, there's the perch for the bird. Wow, look at that! We have now made ourselves our own little birdhouse. And we can go hang this on my tree, and so a little bird can live in there. Very nice. Alright, there's our birdhouse. Now it's time to make our bird feeder. Alright, here's our bird feeder. It is now completely finished. So I'm going to get some bird seed and we'll load it up in our little bird feeder and we'll hang this with our birdhouse. Alright, now that I have this with some bird seeds, I am ready to put this right next to our birdhouse. Alright guys, so here's my bird feeder and my birdhouse right next to each other. They look amazing. And when the bird wants a little snack, it can go into the bird feeder and then go into the house if it wants to maybe take a break or lay some eggs in there. And I know it'll be super fun once we start to see birds come in and out of the bird feeder and birdhouse. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Bye. I can't take this seriously.